Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today we're going to talk about if you need a LinkedIn group if you want to grow your business on LinkedIn. And the answer is no, you don't. Now, some people really recommend that you just have to create a LinkedIn group, and then they say invite everyone, every potential customers into the LinkedIn group, and then you just post content every single day. Then after a while, you can turn them into potential customer by selling them something. While that's true, there is a much better way. You just build LinkedIn connections, and you're just connecting to potential customers, and you're just putting out your content on your own LinkedIn profile. The effect is that this content isn't private. It's not just sealed up into your LinkedIn group, but it can also be seen by other people. If you're just connecting to potential customers are often connected to other customers. So if someone of them is engaging, is liking, is commenting on one of your posts, it will also be shown to a couple of people in their network. And by that, you're getting more and more people inside engage with your content. Some people will start following you, some people will send you connection requests, and it's just a much broader base. This can sometimes be 100 times, 1,000 times more people who can see your content, and such you're attracting way more potential customers on LinkedIn. Now, the argument sometimes is that when you have a LinkedIn group, people can engage with each other and might be able to share more personal stuff, but you really don't want to have your customers talking to each other. You want them communicating with you. If you want to have a group experience, don't rely on LinkedIn. Just create your own group, get a membership site, invite everyone there. Then you have the customer data and you are in control of it. Because what happens also in LinkedIn groups, you don't have any control that posting inside your group will be shown to actually all the members. It might just be that the LinkedIn algorithm is switching and just like 5% of your members will get a notification if you posted a piece of content. So it's much more reliable to get every customer on your email list in your own dedicated personal group if you want to have the group experience. My take on this is you don't need a LinkedIn group. I wouldn't use one. Use your own personal LinkedIn profile and then be very selective about who you're connecting with, how you're building your network. If you want to have a more personal experience, build your own community outside of LinkedIn and get people on your email list onto your external site. And then you can just convert them into paying customers. Now, if you want to learn more about how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel, I highly recommend that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description. This teaches you everything how to build a LinkedIn sales funnel, how to find your audience, how to develop your content strategy, and how to turn all of your readers and viewers into paying customers. And if you want to get more videos like this, also hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.